Today we are going to have a look at something special. This is Sonic x ASRock collab, a Z790 PG Sonic motherboard. Let's have a look at the box first, and then I'll open it up and show you what it looks like. But first, let's have a look at the main specs. So that's 14+1+1 power phase design. The outside was special, but the inside is just a normal ASRock box. So not too much of a difference there. Extra padding to keep the socket safe during the transit, and extra padding here. So it's packaged very well. Let's see what we have in the box. What kind of accessories? Oh, check it out. Even the user manual is it's a Sonic theme, right? But inside is just your regular ASRock well illustrated manual. 2 Velcro straps for cable management, 2 SATA cables, and also all sorts of, just regular things for the M.2 screws and so on. And look at that. It's an ASRock badge. It's a thick boy. It looks nice. Nothing else in the box, so let's open the motherboard next. Check this out. Sonic the Hedgehog. And it is packaged again very well. It's got some zip ties to hold it in place. But have a look at this. This is an awesome effect. The ring. It spins. It spins. Yeah. So imagine that. That's installed in your PC case, and you walk around your case and you see that. You see how it spins. Here it is in its full glory. You got a Sonic head here, and also over here on the socket. That's pretty cool. That's the logo. Let's have a look at the I/O. Remove the protection. Check it out. It's actually branded on this I/O shield as well. Sonic. So the theme continues. White and blue. This motherboard doesn't come with built-in Wi-Fi, but there's still, place for the antenna if you decide to buy your own. And hold on, usually there's a little thing. Yeah, there it is. That's the spot for the little Wi-Fi module. Just route your cables, and there it goes through there. Although, I don't know, where would you route them? Through this little gap, I guess? Somehow? Not sure about that. But let's have a look at the I/O shield. What does it offer? DisplayPort, HDMI, 6, 8, so that's a total of 8 USB Type A ports, and also 1 USB Type C. That's the 20 gigabit per second one, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just quickly check. Yeah, USBs are literally so useless with their names. This is actually a 5 gigabit connection. So yeah, 3.2 Gen 1. My god. They really need to sort out those names. But it does come with a 2.5 gigabit LAN and all the audio connections as well. Let's check out the back of this thing, because there is also some art on the back. Check it out. Sonic the Hedgehog. By the way, this is matte black PCB. Well, it looks pretty good. And of course, the I/O shield comes pre-installed and reinforced with this bracket. Very nice. As for the CPU power delivery, it is being fed via the two 8-pin connectors here. And then VRMs are cooled by reasonably sized VRM heatsinks. They're not huge, but they're not small either. Check it out. The top one is pretty big as well. Also, I would like to mention that while this is metal, this right here is plastic. So this is, I don't know if you can make it out on the camera. This is white plastic, and the metal finish here is actually, what do you call it? Yeah, brushed silver, that is the term. This actually comes with a massive heatsink for the SSD, because this one right here is your Gen 5 M.2 SSD, just above the Gen 5 slot, PCIe slot, which is reinforced by metal. I also get 3 more Gen 4 M.2 slots. And here is the 4 DIMM slots for your memory. The latches open up on both sides for comfortable installation. It's nice to have. And here is actually the the USB that comes with a 20 gigabit per second speed. This is the one for the front panel. Another USB connection here. Another one here and here. And this motherboard comes with a total of 8 SATA ports, which is actually quite nice. I was not expecting that. I was expecting like 4 or maybe 6, but this one has 8. Nice. If you are not using a fan hub and want to connect all your fans to the motherboard, then I would like to share with you that this motherboard has 6 fan connectors. 2 over here at the top, 1 more here, another one here, and then 1 and 2 down here. That's 1 RGB LED connection and 1, 2, 3 addressable RGB LED connections. Overall, I think this is a nice looking motherboard. Check it out. I'm especially loving this effect with the ring. It looks cool. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it? Do you like it? Are you planning to buy it? If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.